Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. I am your English grammar teacher. Take out your English grammar book and take out the first chapter. The first chapter is about phrases and sentences. So let's talk about that what is phrases and what are sentences. Okay. So the first one is phrases. Now here it is saying read the following group of words. They are not sentences. They do not make a complete sense. Okay, so basically here some words are given and they do not make any kind of complete sense. Okay, like first it is given by the way, next in private, in the garden, in a minute, at school, in the end, for goodness sake, one after another, at last, out of breath, once more, at the bus stop, back to front, inside out, in public, in an instant, at the station, in my opinion, in the morning, afternoon, evening, without fear, at night, on the wall, once upon a time, at home. Okay, so these all are the group of words which does not make a sense. Okay, which does not make any kind of sense. So they are not sentences. Basically they are not sentences. They are what? They are the phrases. Okay. Now it is saying the above group of words are not sentences. These are phrases. These are what? These are phrases. Phrases are made of two or more words. They don't have a subject or a verb and make partial sense only, but not complete sense. Now here it is saying that phrases are made up of two or more words and they don't have a subject. Basically they don't have a subject or a verb, the action word. Okay, and it doesn't make any kind of complete sense. Okay, it just make the partial sense. Okay, not the complete one. Now let's talk about sentences. We use many words in a correct order while we speak. These words make a sentence which is used to express thoughts and feelings. So basically we use many kind of words in a correct order while we speak them. And these words, they make a sentence which is used to express our thoughts and also feelings. Okay. Now here it is saying, look at the following group of words, take the one that are sentences. So here you have to first read the carefully group of words, then you have to take that one which is the correct sentence. Okay, the correct sentence in which the first letter should be capital and at the end there should be full stop, or if it is a question one then there should be question mark. Okay, like for example, I am going to school. Now this I am going to school is a complete sentence, so you have to tick over it. Okay. Like this, you have to first read carefully the sentence, then you have to verify it that whether it is the sentence or not. If it is, then you have to put tick mark. If not, then you just leave that box. Okay. Thus, a sentence is a group of words which make a complete sense. Sentence is a group of words which make a complete sense. Now, definition is given. A group of words that make a complete sense is called a sentence. Group of words which make a complete sense, that is known as a sentence. Like for example, this is a jug. Okay, so now this is a jug is a complete sentence. Okay, it makes a complete sense also. Okay. Now, let us remember the following things when we write a sentence. First thing is that the sentence must begin with a capital letter. The sentence should start with a capital letter only. Next one is a full stop must be placed at the end of the sentence. A full stop should be placed at the end of the sentence. Okay. Next one is the word I must always be written as a capital letter. The word I should be in the capital letter. Okay. Now the next thing is a question sentence must begin with a capital letter and end with a question mark. Question sentence should start with the capital letter and end with the question mark. Now some examples are given to you. First one, as you can see, what are you eating? Now this is the question type of sentence. Okay, here you can clearly see that the first letter is the capital one and the last there is question mark. Okay. Next example is he lives in Jaipur. Next, Lucky is my friend. Next one, Mukul is good football player. Next one, Raj is swimming. Next, where are you going? Okay, so these are the sentences. Now students, let's move into the exercise part. The first one is take the correct option. So here it is asking you which of the following is correct. First, read the options carefully. Do you have a watch? You do a watch? A watch do you have? So the correct form of sentence is do you have a watch? So take that one. Because in this first letter is capital and then there is question mark also. Okay, and it also makes a complete sense. Now the next question is which of the following is a sentence? Options: the sun rises in the east as and singer is she, the once upon a time. So the correct answer is the sun rises in the east. This is the correct form of the sentence. Now the next question is which of the following is a phrase? Options: Rachna is reading a book. In my opinion, Sarita is a dancer. So the phrase is in my opinion, because here you can clearly see that subject is not there and also first letter is not capital and also there is no full stop or question mark. Okay, so in my opinion is the phrase, so take that one. I hope student that you understood this chapter, and your homework is you have to complete all the exercise part of this chapter, and I'm gonna meet you in the next class. Till then students, bye bye.